Welcome to Outback Adventures. Do you ever wish there was some other place to put your cargo cover when you're not using it? Well, today that's what I'm going to be showing you. So first, you have to take your cargo cover out. Then you have to remove the two side panels. In order to remove those, you have to put the centerpiece up. So next, you need to make sure that your white sticker is facing up. Put this side all the way in. And make sure that this piece goes under here. Roll this up. Take this down. And put in your two side panels. And now your cargo cover is hidden. Make sure you like the video and hit that subscribe button.